Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and as part of my cooking vlogs, we will have what's left in my kitchen. For today's menu, we will cook Pancit, Bihon, and Canton a la Sardines. So do not forget to hit like and subscribe as you watch this video. Let's start cooking! First, let us prepare our ingredients. We have 2 cloves of garlic. I smash it hard. Ayan. So, balatan natin yung ating garlic. And then, let's chop it into smaller pieces. Just like that. Okay, filling shelf. And then, next is onion. And I cut it into half and then just chop it like an expert. Have our Baguio beans. So, since meron pa kami natira sa ref namin, gamitin ko na lahat kasi masasayang ko na. It's perfect for our Pancit, Canton, and Bihon recipe. Okay, so let's just chop it like this. Pagayado na. Ayan, puro na po sito. Then next, we have our cabbage. So, ayan, tingnan nyo naman. It's only 1/4 na lang yung natitira. Bago pa siya mawala. Gamitin na natin siya sa ating pancit recipe. So, let's just cut it like that. Yan. Feeling expert ako dyan. Yan. Pinakamadaling i-cut sa lahat. Ang ating repolyo. And the other ingredients na nakita ko ay ang pancit canton and pancit bihon. And of course, sardines. So, tinanggal lang natin para wala nyo na lang kung anong brand yun. Okay, for this time, prepare ko yung ating pan. So, nahirapan ako mag-open ng gas. So, wala na ata kaming gas. And then, I poured cooking oil. So, ayan, used oil na yung ginamit ko dyan. Kasi nga, we are conserving, diba? What's left in our kitchen time. So, ayan. Kasi, ang minuto lang naman dyan ay itlog. Okay, so let us saute our onion first. So, onion yung inuna ko kasi pinaiyak na ako. Pero hindi naman talaga importante kung anong mauna siyang onion or garlic. Parehas lang naman siyang magluto. Katulad nga na sinabi. So, napanood ko sa one of the vlogs ni Ninong Rai. So, ayan. So, tama ba ako ng pagkakaalala? Hindi ko din alam. Okay, so I just sauteed onion and the garlic. And then, after na siya mag-golden brown, ayun yung appearance niya, I added the Baguio beans. Now, of course, bago naman natin siya clean-up, ay hinugasan natin niya. So, let's just saute it. Yeah, mix, gisa-gisa. Okay? liquid mixture. And there you have it! After all the mixing, we now have our Pancit, Bihon, and Canton a la Sardines. So why not try this recipe at your home? Sa murang halaga at madaling paraan, mayroon ka ng masarap na pansit na pagsasaluhan. Nutritious na, masarap pa. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to hit like and subscribe sa ating channel for more cooking vlogs. See you again next time. Bye-bye!